the daughter of a waterfall. A waterfall. Yeah.
Scene
Bam.
98.
Sometimes I think I may have been birthed by a waterfall. A waterfall. Yeah. Sometimes I think I might be the daughter of a waterfall, because I'm falling, y'all, into a place where they can't hear me scream. And I'm headed downstream on a path, not knowing where I'm going, but I continue flowing, and I'm never coming back. A beautiful and chaotic force, as clear as can be, staying on course, moving forward toward my destiny, with all the beauty and grace, flowing over the rocks and through the hard space, leaving imprints along the way that can never be erased or replaced. Hey. Sometimes I think I might be the daughter of a waterfall, because I'm falling, y'all, into a place where they can't hear me scream. And I'm headed downstream on a path, not knowing where I'm going, but I continue flowing, and I'm never coming back. Yeah. And so I think I might be the daughter of a waterfall, because I'm falling into a place where they can hear me scream. And I'm headed downstream. I'm on a path, not knowing where I'm going, but I continue flowing, and I'm not coming back. A beautiful, chaotic force, moving toward my destiny, like a waterfall. I keep on falling, y'all. Yeah. Not knowing where I'm going, but I continue flowing.